stock number 206959 on a 2014 GMC 1500 all-terrain, and our exterior color is silver. Interior options include power windows, locks and mirrors, premium audio system, power seats with lumbar support, leather and cloth interior, light controls, four-wheel drive controls and trailer brake, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, hands-free communication and audio controls, OnStar, garage door opener, CD, AM, FM radio, climate control with AC, heated seats, power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, rear cargo lamp controls, parking assist controls, and hill descent controls. And our interior color is black. Moving on to our exterior features, we have chrome alloy rear wheels, mud flaps, rear parking assist, backup camera, spray-on box liner, and more cargo space. Rear options include power windows, 60/40 split bench seats with center armrest and cup holders, sliding rear window. You can fold the seats up for more storage space. Once again, we're reviewing stock number 206959 on a 2014 GMC 1500 all-terrain, and our exterior color is silver.